Hi, my name is Stratos. In this video we're going to see how we can create manually a clone page and assign that as a translation to a page that we already have using the Polylang plugin. Now I have already made a video some time ago about the Polylang plugin and I have used it and created a whole translation of a whole website, and I think I've used the Divi page builder, and I know that the Divi Elementor in some cases, Oxygen for sure, and Divi is working fine with the Polylang plugin, and it can create automatically the pages that we want. So it can clone the pages and we're going just to edit the content, the text, and create the translation of a page. But in some cases we have another page builder, or the page builder that I have already mentioned is not working for some reason. In this case I have the Elementor page builder and it's not working fine with the Polylang, which is strange because I have used it many times. But let's go and see. Here we have the pages and I have already translated the home page using the Polylang exact same method that I will show you now, but it's not working for other pages. So let's go to the content page and let's go and hit the plus icon in the Greek flag. Of course I have already installed and set the Polylang. I'm not going to use it to do it again. I have already made that video and you can see it here in this window. So let's go and see how we can do that. Let's go and put a Greek title and we're going to hit publish twice, and we're going to edit that with the Elementor page builder. Now for some reason, as you will see now in about page, this is the page that it should already grabbed, and you can see that it's blank. Okay, I don't know why it's not working, but it doesn't matter. I will show you what you can do. Now with the Elementor page builder, you can use the right click that they have and just copy all the content. If you don't have this capability, you can also install and activate a duplicate page plugin like duplicate page. I don't know, there are too many plugins that do the same job, and just go ahead and clone the page. I have already tried that and it's not working either. I think it's something wrong with this installation. This is a test installation, it's not a live website. This is in my local environment. This is from Astra starter site. It's already made template. I think it's something wrong because I didn't erase the previous installation. I just go and added everything inside this and added another installation on top of another one. So something's wrong with that, but I'm happy that it's done so, because I now can show you this. I'm just going and copy that and I'm going here and just clone it. Okay, now I'm going to the next one, copy and clone. Copy, clone after that. And copy and clone. Okay, that page had 4 sections, so I did a copy and clone 4 times, and now I have this page. This is the exact clone page of the About Us page, and now I can go ahead and type here the translation of the page. So I'm using just something to distinguish the Greek page from the English one. Let's go and save that. Sorry for the Greek, but now I'm in the Greek translation. And let's go back to our pages. Let's go to our pages, all pages, and now we're going to see that we have this, that it's the About page, and this is the Who We Are page in Greek. Now I want to assign the one page to the other. The reason that I want to assign the page and not just add that to the menu, I can also add the page to the menu and not assign it. Okay, but the reason that I want to assign is because if someone is in the About page and just clicks the Greek flag, he will not go straight to the home page. I don't know for him to go straight to the home page of the Greek version. I want him to go to the translated page of this one, of the About page. This is why you assign the page at the translation version, the translated version of the page. Okay, I hope I made myself clear. If you do not assign the page, he will just click and go to the translator of the home page of the translation site, of the translated site. Keep making mistakes. So what I need to do is go into one of the other pages. It doesn't matter which one you go. You can go to the About page, or you can go to the translated version of this. So let's go to the About page because it's in English, but it doesn't matter which you choose to go. And then you are going to go to the right page in the languages, and you will find here that this language is English, and here you have the plus icon, so you can create a page, but here you can type the title of the translate version of this page. And I know that it is who we are, okay? And I'm just starting to type the letters, and once you start typing, it will find automatically the name. Let's go and see how I have named it, because for some reason it doesn't seem to find, but I'm going to type this and I'm going to update it. So for some reason it doesn't recognize that, because I think it's using the Greek letters and it cannot recognize the Greek letters. It doesn't matter if it cannot recognize it. I can go still to the Greek version of the page and assign that to the About page. So let's go into the page again, and as you can see here in the About I have a plus icon, and in the Who We Are Greek version I have here an edit icon. So let's go and refresh, and I will see if something changes here. No. So this means that okay, as I can see here, the Greek version has already something attached, so this is why I cannot attach this. Let's go inside that. Sorry for that. I don't know why it has already grabbed something here. Yeah, it says contact. I will just hit update. So I have removed that. Let's go to the Greek version and remove that and update. And let's go now and type here the title. And as you can see here, it gives me the option to click here and select the assign that page. So now this page is assigned. Let's go and add that to the menu. Okay, let's go for pages and let's add this to the page, to the menu. Okay, let's go and save it. And now I'm going back here. I'm going to refresh. And now that I'm on About page, I will hit the Greek flag, and I will get the Greek version of the page as I'm supposed to do, but for some reason this hasn't saved just yet. Let's go and save it again. Okay, and let's go and refresh the page. Here we are, refresh, and we have now the Greek version of About Us. So this is how you manually assign the pages, and I said again, you assign that so you will not redirect to the home page. You will go ahead and send the visitor to the translation of the page. So this was what I wanted to show you. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you all in the next video. Bye.